Nope, try it again. What's up, guys? So a few days ago I put a poll on my Instagram story, basically asking if I should create my first cinematic travel vlog, and the majority of people said yes. A few people said no. I'll find you. But it was something that I knew I was going to do anyways, or I wanted to do. Rather, I've been meaning to vlog forever. So this was going to be it. This was going to be the trip. Virginia, a little vacay, a little business. I was going to bring you guys with me. Long story short, as soon as we got on the road, I got discouraged, felt uncomfortable talking to the camera, didn't like how it was going, and I kind of gave up. I didn't give up on filming, I just gave up on talking to the camera. And now that I'm home, a little more comfortable, and I realize it's not that bad. Just be yourself. That's one thing that makes a vlog good and authentic is, you know, the audience, you guys can tell when people are trying to be something they're not. And that's kind of what's wrong with social media in general, is everyone's trying to portray, you know, their lifestyle, and it's tough to keep up, and there's a lot of pressure, a lot of social pressure on everybody. Either way, I did not vlog, you know, one-on-one vlog with the camera, but I did put together a short cinematic montage, I don't know what to call it, cinematic something of our trip to Virginia.